Hey, Dustin with Service Zero Marketing, and we've got another case study for you here, another client. I'd like to go over some of his results. We'll keep this video quick. We've got some other case study videos out there if you'd like to see some more detailed results that we've been able to get. But for this particular video, I just want to quickly show you some of the results that we've gotten for healthy air ducts. So I'm going to take you to my screen here, and as you can see, we follow some of the same patterns on all of the websites that we work on, that we build out, where you can see you've got the phone number in the top right here. And in this particular case, we've got a big call now text right above it to bring attention to it. We even got the phone number on his truck here. And of course, this is a call tracking number. That way we can track the results that he's getting from his website. That way we can show the leads that we're able to bring in from our online marketing endeavors. And we've got a picture of the owner. We've got some unique selling points right here. And in this particular case, he has a lot of great reviews on Angie's List. So we wanted to make sure that we showcased it right here. So if anybody has an Angie's List account, they can go in, see all the great reviews that he has there. And he's one of the few guys that really gets great reviews. We don't really have to fight a lot of bad reviews with healthy air ducts, which is always nice. And scroll down here, you can see he's also got the contact form right there. So what kind of results are we getting from him in terms of SEO? If you look at his maps insights here, you can see this is similar. If you saw the water damage case study video, you'll have noticed something very similar. He's a similar business in that he doesn't do a lot of radio advertising or TV advertising, not a lot of brand awareness advertising. So the majority of his traffic, as you can see here in this case, is almost 98% are people that are searching for his services, which you can see over here. Here's a description of what this graph is showing you. The green represents customers who search for his business or his address, and the blue represents customers who search for his service, the service offering that he has. So you can see that the vast majority of the traffic that he's getting are people that are actually searching for duct cleaning and not for his brand. So obviously with that type of business model, it's important that we really dominated, if you will, or really had a strong presence on the internet and Google. So here is a search result, and again, if you're not familiar with what you're looking at right here, this is a tool that Google offers. It's typically used for AdWords users, so that way you can see what someone in a specific geographical region is going to be seeing when they search. For this example, I'm using to show you what somebody in his particular town is going to see. So this is located in Bentonville, and you can see when you search for duct cleaning, if you scroll down past the ads, you can see he's got the top spot right here. He's showcasing that 5-star rating. If you search for dryer vent cleaning, again, this is in Bentonville, he again has the #1 spot right here in the maps location. If you venture out a little bit, you can see this is Rogers. This is a neighboring town. You scroll down, you can see even in Rogers, he's got the #1 spot. And this is over someone who's located, you can see this guy, blue ribbon, he's actually located in Rogers, so we're ranking above someone who's actually in the city that he's not in. We're able to beat this guy out, and that's just simply because of all of the optimization that goes into the website. So your maps ranking is tied into your overall SEO campaign. So the SEO work that you're doing on your website will pay off in the maps as long as you follow everything that you need to be doing for your maps optimization as well, which we do have additional training on that on our website if you'd like to go through that. So here's dryer vent cleaning. Again, this is in Rogers, and you can see he's got the #2 spot, and he's sandwiched in between two different guys that are located again in Rogers. So you can see he's doing really well in the maps locations. One more location, here's Bella Vista. Again, he's got the #1 spot right here in the maps for duct cleaning. So as you can see, I won't go through every search result possible like I've done in some of our other videos. I just wanted to again illustrate the power of making sure that your website is well optimized, and also demonstrate how getting your online marketing right can drive a lot of targeted traffic. So you can see that the vast majority of people that are seeing his maps listings, over almost 98%, are people that are searching for his service. So those are obviously going to be hot leads, hot people that are finding his website, that whenever they call him, that they're actually in need of his services. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, you'd like to learn more, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Just get in touch with us however you want to. We would love to speak with you.